Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 24, The Discovery of Pharaoh Tutankhamun's Tomb in 1922 by Howard Carter and Lord Carnarvon sparked the legend of the Curse of the Pharaohs. Carnarvon died mysteriously months after the tomb's opening, fueling rumors of a curse punishing those who disturbed Tutankhamun's rest. Media sensationalism and public fascination with ancient Egyptian mystique amplified the curse's legend, linking further deaths of those associated with the tomb to this supposed curse. While modern science suggests natural causes like mold spores in the tomb, the story of Tutankhamun's curse remains a captivating blend of archaeology, mystery, and the allure of ancient Egypt. A tale where history meets legend and myth.